Oh, that's really bright.
Way.
Yeah, look at that. Can't even see. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. We got the brothers all just hanging out today. We're at a car show, in fact. You can see some of them down there. But you guys seem to love the first video so much, I decided to do it again. So, yeah. Round two, here we go, baby. Long this line of cars is. Like, it goes all the way down. You can't even see the end. Like, it just goes on forever. Like, this is like one of the biggest car shows in the state of Utah. And guess who's here, guys? It's us. So, what do you think of the car show so far?
Pretty lit.
That's all you got?
Yeah, it hurts my bank account just looking at it.
Look. Well, like, there's an Audi right there. We got, I think,
a row of Lambos.
Yeah, the row all the way up.
Or it's just 10 straight Lambos. Nothing else.
Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's more than 10 there, bud.
Oh, you say?
A lot more than 10.
I thought I was
I really like that Corvette down there. That one's a nice one.
I like that dark red.
I could spot a Corvette a mile away. I love those things.
Personal favorite, there was a smart car at the beginning.
Oh, that little pink one. Yo, look. Zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, zoom in. Oh, it's already gone. Oh. Up on the screen, they were showing the last year's, or not last year's, 2020 show?
Maybe.
Back when it was at the golf course. We were at that one and that was a fun time. It was a lot smaller than, it felt like, at least, I don't know. I don't know how many cars showed up.
I feel like this one's a lot more like
but
condensed because it's all shoved into one street.
Yeah, well, because at the golf course, they just like kind of spread them out everywhere. We had to get a bigger view. We got the bros down there. I'm standing on one of these stupid little ball things just so we can see all that. It goes all the way down. And I'm betting they're looking at me funny, but I don't care. I'm having a good old time. It doesn't start till 6:30, right?
Yeah, 6:15.
It's only 6:15 and it starts at 6:30, and I've already like walked all the way down. So I don't know what we're going to do for the next 15 or so minutes. Like, what are they going to do? Like, do they have stuff planned, or is it just like come in, see the cars and leave? I don't know what's going on, but we're just here for the ride, guys. Gonna wrap it up today. We shot all the cars. We got high on the bridges, we got down below, we got a bit of everywhere. So with that, I'm thinking, do you have anything to say to the fellow people of the internet?
Like button and subscribe. Today was lit and I need to pay for gas because I was forced into that.
You didn't have to come.
I didn't realize I had to pay for gas.
We told you.
Yeah, right as we were going out the door. You could have turned around and went back in the door.
Exactly, you didn't have to come.
I didn't have plans then. I don't want to
You
have to stay
realize
home
that's
with
like
Mom and
$12 a gallon, right?
It's expensive.
And we live like 4 hours away, right?
Expensive. So, do what he said. Any famous last words for the people?
Donate to gas money.
Yes, I'll have like a GoFundMe or something down below. Help me fund this trip. But yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Love you guys.